Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You can see I'm going through a grape field. Actually, it's winter, so there's no leaves, fruit, so it's all done. So today I'm gonna experience a new thing. It's a wine tasting. So I'm now going to a winery. Um, in my country, this is not a common thing, but here in USA wine tasting and going to wineries, it's a common thing, and you can taste different wines going from dry wine to wet wine, semi-sweet wine. So let's figure it out. Here I'm going to a Red Cat Winery. So this is my first time in my life actually, so let's see how's the experience, and I'm very excited to see inside and get the experience. Let's do it. So here I'm entering to the winery shop, and it has a lot of stuff like wine bottles in different sizes and like clothes that says Red Cat and stuff.
Okay, thank you. And then, can we get more of these sheets?
Yeah, so how many, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many of you are doing a tasting? 4? 5? 5?
Yeah.
Okay,
That makes
can I see everybody's IDs, please? Okay, so everyone gets a choice of 4, so they go in order of driest to sweetest. So our driest is going to be the Pinot Gris, and the sweetest, and one of my favorites, is the Brambleberry. We also have some dessert wines, we have our hard ciders, and we have our wine seltzers, which are new. And you can pick any 4, and it's going to be $10 for your tasting. So I'll grab some pencils for you. And I ask that you put your name on it just so they all don't get mixed up. And then check any 4 that you want.
Can you pass that one?
You need a pencil?
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, that's his. Oh, we need one more. Okay.
There you go.
I see. I didn't know if she was on your other side.
So you can look over your tasting sheets, and then if you have any questions, let me know. Can I get you some popcorn to snack on while you're doing your tasting?
I would like that.
Sure.
Okay, you got
We
it.
can like split it.
All right.
Yeah, so if you buy a glass of wine, you can get one of these.
Yeah. So if you buy the glass, we have it's a half a glass of wine, and you get the glass for free.
That's cool.
You guys just hopping around today to like different wineries, or
No, this is the first one. Because you guys close at 5, and so we like sure.
That
once we open back up to full time, we'll be open later.
That's why you guys are open.
Did you say you have not tried the wine slushies?
I have tried wine slushies.
But we're gonna save that for last. So what I'm gonna do is I need someone's phone. Oh yes, yeah. Never mind. We're gonna pour for him, then we're gonna do this.
Okay. I didn't forget about you, I promise.
Here's yours. So again, yours is going.
I'm just gonna transfer that. We'll take a picture of our cheers in a little bit. Okay, so.
It's fun to do it.
Oh yeah. I don't think I'm gonna like this one.
All right, I'm gonna take the empty
I don't choose
out
that
of your
one.
way here.
It's the 2019 Cabernet.
Okay.
that experience was amazing. Wine tasting. Now we are switching from wine to wine slushy, a new thing. Let's do it.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome, of course.
This is Red Cat, and what this is?
Brambleberry.
Okay. So it was an amazing experience. You can say it. Especially, I think this is a new experience for my country people. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Bye.